If you're looking to boost your donations fast in Please Donate, here are 5 smart strategies that actually work. Let's get into it. First, pick your booth location wisely. A lot of players just set their booth anywhere and hope for the best. But if you place it near the leaderboard or in one of the corner spots, way more people will walk by and notice you, which means a much better chance of getting donations. Second, make your booth stand out. Ditch the boring default booth and use a unique one. You can get one from codes, gift bucks, or events. Once your booth catches attention, write something clear and convincing. For example, if you're raising Robux to fund your game, say, "I'm a developer working on a game. Goal, 10,000 Robux." People are more likely to donate if they know what you're saving for. Third, set up your game passes with a wide range of prices. Offer everything from 5 Robux up to 100,000 or even more. You never know who might be generous. Some people do huge donations randomly. The key is to give them plenty of options, so they can choose how much to give. Fourth, take advantage of live giveaway streams. There are always real streamers on YouTube or Twitch doing Robux giveaways. Just drop your username in the chat. You could get gifted instantly. Some do server-wide donations too. Just be smart and avoid the fake ones. Lastly, server hopping. If you're stuck in a dead server with no donations happening, don't wait around. Leave and join another. Fresh servers mean new people and more chances. And if you have voice chat enabled on a 13+ account, definitely join voice chat servers. They're the best for big donations because you can talk, joke around, or show off a talent. People donate when they connect with you or enjoy your vibe. Try these 5 tips, and you'll start seeing your Robux pile up a lot faster. If this helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips. Good luck out there.